abeshemwe mukamasimwe otwire nohurira kuri gito bwa Revival Radio 93.2 FM aha murundogu bakuletere Ekirigito.
We give thanks to God for the 5 years of Revival Radio 93.2 FM, and we are so delighted to announce that we are going to have a special dinner which is going to be in the Bishop's Gardens, and we are inviting all of you to be able to join in. You need only 40,000 Uganda shillings and you support the Revival Radio. You will be expected to be at the Bishop's Gardens from about 6 p.m. and we are so glad that we are also going to have a greatly honored guest, Mrs. Twesigomwe Dorcas Rukundo, who works as a business development manager of Uganda Wildlife Authority. She is a very good, eminent speaker. It will also be a chance to mingle and make friends and exchange business cards and exchange ideas, and also as you support. This will not be a meal that you should miss. Make sure you'll be there, and we shall enjoy also sweet music that we shall be listening to, and I pray and hope that you'll be there. Please come support, but at the same time come and gain knowledge. You will not go away the same, because knowledge is power and knowledge is wealth. May the Lord God bless you as you come and join us.